Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna be showing you how you can do scalping. As you probably have seen, a lot of videos on YouTube or somewhere on Google. A lot of people say that it's the quick buck, you can make a lot of money. Some people say you can lose a lot of money. There is all kinds of opinions, but we like to question everything, and we would like to show you the result, of course. So we are looking right now on the Euro USA dollar on a 1 hour chart, but as you probably already know, when you do scalping, you always go on a lower time frame. So we are gonna be scalping on a 5-minute chart, and the position are usually hold for a few minutes up to like 35-40 minutes. I'm gonna put my moving averages. I'm gonna put the green one, and I'm just gonna make it a little thicker so you guys can see it better. I just made a mistake here. Let me just fix that real quick. Okay, it looks better. Now I'm gonna add the yellow one, which is the 50 period, and like I said, I'm gonna make it yellow. Okay, it's thick and nice. And also what we can see, first of all, of course, we have to determine the trend on the bigger time frame before we go to the lower time frame, and where actually we're gonna be executing our trades. We have to determine where the price might go. As you can see, we have the green and the yellow moving averages crossed, and now I'm putting a trend line right here. And as you can see, the price right now is going up, but we are expecting it to go down. If it breaks through this trend line, we're gonna be looking to buy, but we're gonna be waiting and see for a confirmation of where the price might go. For at this moment, actually I'm not gonna need this indicator right now. As you can see, it says buy. It gives us buy signals, but most likely, as you can see, the moving averages are crossing. We have the trend line. We have a buffer zone right here. We're expecting actually the price to go down, but let's see how the price is gonna react into this zone, and then we're gonna be thinking for taking short position, or maybe wait for a breakout and then take a long position. But as I said, we are gonna be looking at the 5-minute chart, guys. This is where we execute our scalping, and the scalping, we go for just few pips, as just for like 3, 4, 5. I mean, it really depends of the move, but for the most part, this is a small trades, just few pips, and smaller profits. We are already looking on the 5-minute chart, and as you can see, we have our moving average, but instead of the one that we have right here, the 30 period moving average, I'm gonna put the 8 period moving average, and the yellow one, instead of 50, I'm gonna change to 21. The reason for that, of course, is we're looking on a lower time frame. The price is moving quicker, and we need the lower period moving averages. As you can see, the price is going up for right now, but we are always following the higher time frame trend. So that's why we are gonna be waiting. If the price decides to go back and go down, we are gonna be going short. Now I'm adding our indicator, and as you can see, the power of the trend, it says buy. It's up, so we are gonna be waiting until that change to sell, and the moving averages to cross, so we can start actually thinking of taking any positions. So let's wait and see the price, what the price is gonna do, and then we are gonna see how we're gonna react. And guys, I'm gonna forward the video because I don't want to make you wait for every single candle. Here we are opening a position. As you can see, we have a sell power. It's only 25%, which is not the best, but we're still taking this trade. You see, we already opened 2 positions here, and we have the moving averages crossed. The trend shows neutral, which is, like I said, not the best case, but still you know, we are okay with taking the trade here. And as we mentioned before, this is scalping, so you know, at this point we are actually already in a profit, so we might, you know, close partly the position, or might as well close the whole position, because you know, you see the price going back up. So we got a short profit here, you know, not a lot of pips, but basically this is how the whole scalping thing works. And we're opening another trade. You see the price touches the green moving average, and then it keeps going down. So we're opening another position. You see the power of the trend is 35%. You see that we don't really take profit and you know, stop loss. If you want to put stop loss, you can put it above, you know, where the price was consolidating, because you know, the market could be volatile on such a lower time frame. And like you see, we don't really use take profit and stop loss. We're just staying in front of the computer and watching every, you know, single position. If you are thinking of, like, you know, scalping, and for some reason you have to walk away from the computer, definitely use a stop loss. It's a must. But in our cases, we try to you know, stay in front of the computer when we do scalping. Let's see what's gonna happen with the price here. We are in a little profit. We see the power of the trend is getting in our favor, you know, going short. We are following the bigger time frame trend. The trend of the 5-minute chart as well is becoming more bearish, so this is you know, something good. But let's see. And as you can see, we closed the previous position and we have opened another one. Here we set a stop loss because the market, you know, it's becoming more volatile. You guys, when you do scalping, you should be, you know, very careful. And scalping is really technical, but also when you do scalping, you should be really careful with all the news going on. And if something pop up, you know, you can make a really big loss. You can make a big profit, but we said that before, you know, it's more important to keep your profits in smaller but safer, so you cannot, you know, blow up your account. Here you see the power of the trend, 35%, and actually the trend now it goes to down, which gives us another confirmation that we're, you know, looking in a, you know, bearish trend, and the movement is gonna be bearish for a while. As you can see, for right now, the price is going against us, but you know, this is a 5-minute chart. This is how it works, so we're gonna be waiting and see what's gonna happen. As you see, for right now, we open few trades, we close them right away, so we don't really keep them a lot. Okay, I'm forwarding here the video, and as you can see here, we are actually in a really nice profit here. You see the whole movement. We actually moved our stop loss on profit, which this is not typical for the scalping, but in this case, you know, the movement is really nice. And we actually have how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have 10 candles, guys. So this is around like 1 hour, and basically this is not really a scalping, because scalping, like I said, is between, like, you know, up to 35 or 40 minutes. But you see the power of the trend. It's down and it shows 55%, guys. So this is really a good thing for us. So it makes us feel really comfortable with this trade, and that's why we kept it for so long. We are in a really nice trend. We kept it for quite a while, and what we like to do is, you know, even if there is a potential for more movement down, more down movement, I'm sorry, we still prefer to collect our profits and look for another opportunity, and, you know, wait and maybe even look at another two. So that's what we're gonna do. Doesn't matter that the power of the trend and everything it's in our direction. We're already having really nice profits, so we don't want to get greedy, and that's what we recommend you guys. Collect your profits, reinvest in other position, wait for another setup, and don't get greedy. So we're gonna close in a few seconds this position, and yep, I'm closing right now. And basically this is gonna be pretty much it for this video, guys. We're gonna separate this video in two different videos because we don't want it to get way too long. And we're actually planning of making a separate playlist just for scalping. So as you've watched probably our previous videos, we do usually day trading, but we trade on a 1 hour chart, 4 hours, sometimes we go on a daily chart. But we want to show you scalping, and we want to show you scalping strategies. So there is going to be a separate section especially for scalping. And I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, you can give it a like. We really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can go and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you. That helps us a lot make another quality and good videos for you, and I really hope we help you somehow in your trading, and you can implement this in your trading skills. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.